Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make money with JumpTask. This will be a step-by-step guide. If you're a beginner looking for easy online income method that require no investment, JumpTask is a great option. You can earn crypto by completing simple tasks, playing games, or sharing your internet. Let's dive into how it works and how you can start earning today. First of all, you have to just go to Google, click on this first link that is a jump task, and on the top right side corner, if you don't know how it works, so let's go and check out how it's work. So it will be easy for you to understand each and everything here. Now you can see your Gym Task is an open micro tasking platform that lets you earn money easily by completing short online tasks. We connect you with quick opportunities like taking service, testing app, playing games, or joining communities, and reward you for completing them. It's 100% free. So as you can see here, total payout, register users, completed payout. Now, without wasting any time, let's go and click on sign in on the top right side corner. You can use a normal wallet or a Google account, Facebook account, or Apple account. If you have a bonus code, then you can use and click on here, enter your bonus code directly here. I will be using a Google account here. Now, within few seconds, you will able to create your account. Now, this is the dashboard. So as you can see here, there's a lot of different things here. On the top right corner, it will show you how much your earning is. So if you don't know, JumpTask is a Web3 platform that lets you on real cryptocurrency. That is JMPD by doing small online task here. So here, first of all, let's go to the on tab on the top left side corner here. And here you will see there's a different kind of companies here and then different kind of tasks. For example, here you can see you can watch and on. So if you watch a YouTube video, you will earn around this much of that is $0.01. This is a value of this jump of crypto or altcoin, whatever you can say here. For example, this is passive, so you can earn zero point 0.2 cents for this Honeygate, which is basically renting your device. Or Honeygate is something that is a work on completely different stuff here. But yeah, we will go and check out. If you want to work for any specific application or specific company, you can go and check this out. So let's go and check one of the videos here. So without wasting any time, I could go with watch on for watching, but I could get a copyright strike. Or I will show you how this happened. Simply, you have to just go ahead and click on here. And I will show you the exact reward. And there's a next task. So for example, you have to take this offer, search on how to make money online on YouTube, find a video called how to make money as a teenager online, right? That is basically honey gain. So this is the exact thing, She exact process. Watch it at 1x speed and click like to not comment anything. You won't be rewarded if you do. So don't comment after watching it. Click on a last link in the offer description to get the report. Right, so you have to follow this up and simply just go and click on start task. Automatically he will be redirected to a new page here. Now simply you have to do the same process. So here it says that just copy this up. So I will just copy it and paste it over search bar. And here you can see this is the exact video. Now we have to watch this video and automatically we will get our reward from here. Right, so this is the process, right? And this is a thing here. And you can see there's a lot of different options. For example, let's say I can do with the 5 Binance. So complete the sign up process with validators and go through the KYC. This is only for new user. And you can see this is the reward that is around $7. So the value is pretty much high. So you can create an account on Binance and you can on it. So it will show you the leaderboard. So you can see here this user has on around what $50 and this user has on around $27. You can see here this is a leaderboard and it will show me exactly how much I have won. By the way, this is a weekly leaderboard here. Now this is a Web3 mission, so you can join Web3 communities and contribute to the growth through your dedication, explore project, engage with content, and grow your influence. So we have already done with jump task here. And let's say this is a stalking. So basically, it will show you some of this closed portal, but you can just join them. So it will show you the statistics and everything, how much your last 30-day activities and how much you have on the history, which task you have done and which task you left out, right? Now, this is a Honeygain. So Honeygain enable, basically, this is a different application. So Honeygain enable you to earn money passively by sharing your internet traffic. So if you want to do this, you can join, go to the Honeygain, and here you can join. If you want a separate tutorial I can make on it, let me know in the comment box. Other than this, these are just referrals and bonus codes. So you can refer this to your friends and favors and you will get a referral code here, 10% lifetime bonus. This is a bonus code. Same way is a referral program. But majority of things, I mean, the way to earn money that we have to basically go to the earn section and you have to complete the task. So you can see here, this is Angel One Indian company. You can just make an account, complete the KYC, and you will get around $1.8. Same goes for this. And again, right. So this is a way to earn money, and that is pretty much simple. And most of the time, the task get interchange or it can shuffle, so you can play games. And there's a play-in on Try mobile games or apps. You can create an account. Right, your total GMD earning will show up here on the top right side corner. I'd say if I just go and click on here, it will show my user code, and here you can see my rewards. And so where I will receive that money, say you will receive on your wallet. So you have to make sure you have to connect your wallet. So if I just go and click on connect wallet, and here I can on it, so I have to connect my wallet through the MetaMask. You can do it with the Binance, and there's a lot more option, and you will receive money in crypto. Right, this is my activity, which I've already shown you. All the rewards will show up here, right? So that is pretty much easy. So this is how you can do so. And thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.